So I'll be showing you how to play Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 on your PS5 using a mouse and keyboard. So what you need to do is plug in your mouse and keyboard into your PS5. You can plug in wired mouse and keyboard or wireless. For me, the best is a keyboard and mouse wireless combo, just because it has one connector that goes into the PS5 and that connects both the keyboard and the mouse, leaving the other USB port free. So I'm going to plug in my wireless keyboard and mouse combo connector to the PS5. Just plug into any of the USB ports, and once it's plugged in, you should see the keyboard icon in the top right corner of your screen. So now all you have to do is either use your controller, or you can use the mouse, because you can clearly see the mouse cursor is already on the screen of my PS5. And then go to settings. Under settings, go to keyboard and mouse, select that, and first of all go to the mouse section and then choose aiming input device. You want to change that from controller to mouse. And then after that, go to keybinds, select that, and here you can customize the different keys of the keyboard to do what you need them to do. And also you have the presets. You have the default preset here you can choose. You have classic, and you can see on the right hand side what each key does in classic. You have simplified, left-handed, and also low motor strain. So these are basically presets for keyboard controls, but of course you can go ahead and customize the controls to exactly what you want. Once you customize your keyboard settings, you can just exit out of here and launch a game. I'm just gonna use my mouse to launch a quick game. Let's go to quick play. So here we go, we're about to start. Let's go to equip.
Securing objective
And here we go.
Bravo.
So now
Domination.
you can see I'm using my mouse.
Our chopper gunner is inbound hot. Objective Bravo secure.
Grenade! Hit!
Friendly UAV on station. Enemy securing Bravo. The enemy has captured 2 objectives. Get them secure.
Gotcha, 6.
Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.